So I just recently had purchased a jet drum sander off of Craigslist. It was brand new, still in the box. The gentleman who bought it got the stand assembled out of box one and then decided to put the project aside, and it sat for 3 years, and finally decided to sell it. So I lucked out and was able to pick up a new in-box drum sander off of Craigslist. I don't do a lot of flat work, but I do enough of it that having a drum sander made sense. So I went ahead and bought a mobility stand from WEN here, and I'm gonna put it together and see exactly what we got. Don't know if it'll exactly be a review, but more kind of an unboxing and give you a little insight into whether this is a good value. This was only $49. The Bora unit that I have on my other tool cost closer to, I think it was $80 on Amazon. And this one, like I said, 49 bucks. So at $49, it was worth a shot, especially since I just need to be able to wheel it away, stick it in a corner between uses. And the jet is quite a bit larger than the standard Bora display would have us use. So the Bora stops out at 24 by 24 is its max square size, and its biggest size open, I believe, is 30 by 60 or 36 by 16. The jet happens to be 36 by almost 20, and this stand, 500-pound capacity, mobile, universal base, says it can go out to that size. assembly was fairly simple. Directions could have been a little bit clearer with the photographs. You try to follow the photographs, match it to the paragraph. They don't line up quite the same. That might just be me, old guy, a little dyslexia. But all in all, very, very easy to put together. It took me about a half an hour, a couple of mistakes where you just didn't quite line up a bolt in the right spot, so you gotta swap a bolt back down, a long bolt for a short bolt. It does fit the Jet 1632 sander, just barely. You do have to stretch just a little bit, but it does fit, and you saw it, mobility is just fine. So the model MB500 from WEN, $50 at Amazon, half the price of the closest competitor, definitely does the job. And what I would say, scale of 1 to 10 for ease of assembly, 10 being the easiest in the world, give it a 7. Construction weight, feels good. Quality, I'd probably give it a 7 as well. Value, solid 10. I don't think you can beat it. So if you need something to move a tool around 24 inches by 24 up to 36 by, let's call it 19. It says 19.7, but it's really about 19 to be safe. Drum sander, planer, something like that, up to 500 pounds, I'd highly recommend it. So that would be that'd be a 2 thumbs up for the WEN, especially on the value side. And a couple little easy things to fix in the instructions, and you'd figure it out on your own if you've got a socket set and a couple of box wrenches. So if you need a tool stand, highly recommend it. Go out and grab yourself one.